Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Michael Bellamy Sr., and I represent the Hershey Board. In talking with my board members, my colleagues rather, we're looking to potentially purchase Cadbury. Now, of course, the trustee board has their views, but I'm looking to give you an overview of what we feel is important for not only for the future, for the present for Hershey, but also for the future of Hershey. As you can see, Hershey plus Cadbury, in our opinion, rather, in our research, equals success. Let's talk about the potential merger. First, the role of the Hershey board, basically in a nutshell, we look to make the decision regarding the purchase of Cadbury. We want to make that a swift and successful one. As a collective board, our strong sense of company and personal ethics will look to help guide us in our business decisions regarding the purchase of Cadbury. So compromising our company's morals and ethics, even just once in a slippery slope, we are not willing to take. The current Hershey board has determined that all directors appointed currently on this committee are financially literate and of ethical and moral sound. So I want to give you the makeup of our mindset of what we're going in to do. Let's look at the pros to Cadbury, to the purchase. They already have their building or office space, not only in the U.S. but also internationally. They have their inventory and equipment already stationed and ready, an established brand and brand identity. So in merging with them, this is not a company that's on the up and up. This is a company that is established globally. They already have their customer base, so that's important when we're looking to purchase another company. We're looking at management process and policies. Our committee looked into their morals and ethics and what they stand for, and is similar to what we are looking to stand for here at Hershey and continue to do so. The financial projections, we're looking at their income, the cost of their goods, the gross profit margin, their interest, the net before taxes, the net profit, profits after taxes. And we're looking at the competition. That's essential. You have to know your competition. Kraft is also looking to purchase Cadbury. Now, if you look at the slide, if Kraft ups its ante, it succeeds in acquiring Cadbury, it would create a combined company that would rival Mars in size and reduce our company, Hershey, to a distant fourth in confectionery market with only a 4% stake. So it's vital, not only in our aspect of growing Hershey, but if we don't take this chance, if we don't seize the moment in purchasing Cadbury, Kraft will do so, and it becomes a domino effect. Also, if you look in Time magazine, Kraft's unsolicited bid to take out the candy giant Cadbury will be $10.2 billion. We're willing to do what we have to do to make this a success. And speaking of success, let's look at the benefits. Cadbury marriage with us will be a dominant. We would become a dominant position in the U.S. As well as an international powerhouse. So, as you know, 90% of our stake, or revenue rather, is actually from the U.S. And so, if we want to go above and beyond, and we want to make sure we are leaders and best, we have to go global. In Cadbury, already having an established name, brand, not only in the U.S. but internationally, that would assist us in enlarging our territory, so to speak. There is definitely a concern from our trustee board, but definitely I'm a praying man. Of course, business and church, but there's a separation there in a sense. But as a Christian man, I'm looking to take this to prayer. Definitely much prayer, much power, and God will give us the desires of our hearts if we stay faithful, and that means in ethics and morals. no matter what the outcome may be, we're looking to purchase Cadbury, but we will not, and I repeat, will not waver on our ethics and morals. However this will turn out, it will turn out for God's glory. Definitely, hopefully, it is in Hershey's benefit, the trustee board rather, to hear us, we as the board, and take take close watch on Kraft, and also continue to look at the stock market and see how that goes. Thank you for your time. Again, the Hershey board, we believe that in buying Cadbury, that would benefit us not only in the U.S. but also internationally. Thank you for your time, and you have a wonderful day.